Hi YouTube, we're going to play with Ozzy for a little while. Let's see if we can get him to do something. I got a harmonica song I play with him, and I taught him some other stuff. Alright Ozzy, let's do it. Let's dance, go. Woo! 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 That funny, Sarah. Okay, go. Woo! Yeah, there you go. Okay. All right. What would you say to me a while ago? You were saying something you shouldn't have been saying to me. What was it? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Oh, I love you. 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 Give me some kisses. That's a spicy meat bird. That was funny. You see your mama over there? Is that funny? Huh? What did you just say to me? You know better than say like that. You better be talking to me like that. Do it. You want to dance? You want to dance? I've got a special song just for Ozzy. You want to dance with it? Yes, you're trying to do it, ain't you? He's trying to make that sound. It's hard. Say, Daddy, it was hard to make a harmonica sound. It was hard to make a harmonica sound. Yes, it was. It was so hard to make a harmonica sound. Oh, you want some loving? You want some love? Oh, you love it when your neck rubbed. Oh, you love it when your neck is rubbed. Look, that's you over there. That was you over there. Your mama thinks you are so funny. She thinks you're so funny. You trying to bite my nose? You trying to bite my nose? Don't bite my nose. Don't do it. Don't. Ow, 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 ow. What about the wheel? Can you do that? Woo! Woo! What if I gotta put you on the grill? I'm gonna put you on the grill. Hello. Hello. Can you say hello? Hello. Say woo! Hello. He said all kinds of stuff. He said in Sarah's voice, I'm gonna put you on the grill. Be loud. Oh, you want some loving under that wing? Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. And then he does the dog too. Do it all this thing. Go sing it, boy, sing it. Ozzy can sing. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Say Edward Tyndall YouTube. Like and subscribing and telling your friends. What about, you can walk away, just don't walk away mad. What about if I was going to put you on the grill? Then what would you do, huh? I'm going to put you on the grill. I will put you on the grill. Say it. I will put you on the grill. You're such a sweetheart. You're such a sweetheart. You're a sweetheart. So, got a peanut in here. Want a peanut? Here's a peanut. Here's a peanut. Hey, hey, the peanut. The peanut. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you don't want a peanut. Ah, oh, dang. Oh, the dog got it. Say. Oh, he's such a sweetheart baby boy. I hope y'all love looking at Ozzy. Ozzy is cool. Okay, Ozzy, get back in your cage. Hey, over here, in your cage. He's a well-trained bird. In your cage. Come on, in here, come on. Come on, get in your cage. You might make a liar out of me most of the time. Ozzy, in your cage. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on, Ozzy, in your cage. Come on, Ozzy. Come on, Ozzy. Come on, get in your cage. Get in your cage. Get in your cage. Come on, get in your cage. Sometimes it takes him a couple times. Here, Ozzy, get in your cage. In here. In here. Come on, get in your cage. Hey, I'm behind your cage. Get in your cage. In your cage. Come on. Come on, get around here. Come on. Look, he's on lockdown mode. He's on lockdown. He's like, I'm not getting my cage. Get in here. Hey. Get in your cage. You're going to make a liar out of me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Daddy. Come on. No, you quit cussing me out. You quit cussing me out. Come on. Come on, get on here. My hand is your perch. Ozzy. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. All right, get on here. Good boy. All right, get on here. Good boy. You're such a sweetheart. Yes. Say, real. Can you give me a kiss? What did you just say to me? You do not talk to me. You better quit talking to me like that. Ozzy, I am not playing. I mean it. You be a good Oz. Oh, it's not funny. You and your mama ganging up against me, and it's not cool. You better quit ganging up against me. Sarah, I don't know what you taught him, but you better quit. What? What was that? What are you saying? Hey, you better watch what you say to me. You better watch it. You better watch it. Oh! Wow! You're driving your mama crazy. You're driving your mama crazy. You hear you making your mama laugh? Yeah, she thinks it's funny you ganging up on me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You tell me about it. You tell me about it. You tell me about it. Oh, I know. What? What was that? What did you just say? Sarah, that is not funny. I'm going to put you on the grill. All right. Get in your gate. Get in your gate. Love, 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 love. All right, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. And that, everybody, is Ozzy Osbourne Tyndall. Peace, love, and happiness. All that shit. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends. If you like seeing more of Ozzy, let me know in the comments below. Hey, 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 hey. He loves it when I sing. He loves it when I sing. He just wants to dance. Woo, 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 woo. Say woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, woo. Oh, he was loving. Ozzy was loving. He loves loving. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, ow. That was my fingernail. Don't bend my fingernail off. You don't do it. Do it. Oh. Oh, Ozzy. Yep. Yep. So his mama gets to be with him and enjoy all kinds of good stuff. That was a lucky Ozzy. Having a pretty redhead to talk to all day. Yep. Yeah. Sarah. He laughs just like her. It's so funny. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Are you showing off for everybody? You're showing off for everybody, Ozzy. You're such a sweetheart. I wanted you to bark like a dog. He does it when the dogs bark at him. It's funny. Ozzy. Uh-oh. I'm trying to get you some food. He's trying to get you some food. Am I bothering you on your food? You put your head over there because you want some head love. Is that what it was? You want your head love? What? What did you just say? I told you about talking to me like that. Sarah thinks it's funny. I don't think it's funny. Yeah. You better watch how you talk to your daddy. You watch how you talk to your daddy. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed. My alarm's ringing. Time to feed that Sarah. Peace and love. Edward Tyndall out. Say peace and love. Say it, Ozzy. Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love. Hit that thumbs up button right now. Right now. As in right, GD, meow. Meow. Can you do the cat? Meow. Meow. All right, everybody. We're out.